Hello guys, Stray Benzes here. Today we're fixing leather. To be more specific, the rear bench seat. I'll show you what they did, and anyone who's rescued old Benzes might be familiar with it. People throw stuff on the seats and it leaves indentations. So here you can see nice big divots in the seats. This is a Gen 2 second version with the firmer seats, and it is a shame, but that just looks terrible. So what you need to do is get yourself a heat gun, and you need something cold. Don't laugh. That's good enough for the time being to cool it. And you need to heat up the leather. And stretch it if you can. Massage it, cool it down, and we do that a couple of times until those big pocket marks are gone. And both hands, so I'll be right back after I've done this a couple of times. Look at that, you can barely see it now. Hot, cold, massaging the leather, that's all it takes. You need a heat gun, nice mass of a big hammer, smooth, because otherwise you're going to scratch your leather. Hot, cold. Do that a couple of times, as long as it takes. This one I'm not quite done with. There's still a couple of bumps, but that's how you fix some leather that people put all kinds of stuff on top of.